take you out, like you were gonna trip and have fun. And we're like, no.
Dude, I'm gonna go to sleep and throw up.
Well, they're like, they gave it to some guy that was like a super like prominent businessman.
How's this looking?
What is
Coach?
this working?
It's optimal.
This
Is your face hurt?
My face, why?
Because it's killing me. JP, what's the obsession with people's grip, neutral, supinated, etc., on biceps, triceps, and back?
Man, I think that there's just been so much misinformation with like tricep stuff.
Yeah.
And especially like, oh, you supinate and now all of a sudden it's more, I've seen people say more medial or more lateral head.
Yeah.
But I mean, if you think about it, like the triceps, like they don't connect down here, so it's not really doing anything
Yeah.
to it. I would say if you're doing any tricep movement, just do the cross cable push down. That's, I hate saying best, but that's, in my opinion, one of the best exercises.
It covers a lot of bases.
It does. It hits all three heads of the tricep. It does it really, really well.
Which one hits all three of the triceps?
So like a cross cable extension like this.
Oh.
Yeah, so I mean,
That's better than this?
versus this, I mean.
No, you need to lean over more, shove your titties in the cable, more titties.
Wait,
yeah.
ass,
Yeah. Oh, no, yeah, tongue more
head
drippy.
Up, head up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More eggplant emoji.
But why is this better? It's all three.
So I mean,
This doesn't hit all three?
So no, so like essentially like the long head connects like kind of here, right?
Oh.
So if you line it up,
Yeah.
like through here,
Yeah.
you can actually get that long head to start.
I do a cross body.
Hey, it's good. I can feel like it's cracking a little bit.
My go-to is the cross body single arm rope.
Like one of these joints right here. Oh yeah, dude, I love that. Yeah.
That's nice.
I've been doing that for like 6 months now.
And look at your triceps, dude. They're fucking full Brahma bulls.
I came across them by accident though.
Oh, that's
No, 'cause
crazy.
No, because I was
Crazy.
gonna mimic a tricep movement that
Oh yeah.
simple lockout.
Yeah.
Stability.
Watch that cake back there, baby. Full-time
There you
bakery.
go. Yeah. That's gonna be a PR right here.
You have really supple hands. I've
Yeah.
never.
Supple leopard.
Yeah, I haven't been felt up this well in a while.
How do the lats look back there, dude? Lats looking great. When I'm doing any of my lat movements, I really just like to think about driving that upper arm like down and back as I'm pulling through.
Think about
Nice
elbowing
squeeze.
forward in the face.
So you try to keep the elbows as low as possible.
I think if you think about elbowing forward in the face, probably get a little bit more upper back out of
Okay,
that.
okay, elbowing forward in the groin.
Yeah.
You got juicy cakes.
They're not too bad, right? Good, man. Yeah.
That felt pretty
Besides
good.
see height.
If you're about it, you were gonna go close to failure. And if you go close,
Yeah.
that's how I train.
You still make that. Well, that's the only way to do how to train. You know, I didn't know there was any other way.
Yeah.
Like you can still make progress and not go to failure. I didn't know that.
The only way I stopped going to failure is powerlifting.
And I think that like a certain generation of lifters had kind of, you know, coddled in a sense, where it was like very like RPE, like RIR focused, and they never really had that hard training.
If you've never pushed yourself,
How are you
RPE
gonna know?
9 don't work.
Yeah, RPE doesn't work.
It's
if you don't
hard
know
to
what training
it's
is.
hard to learn
training.
RPE on a squat. It is.
Exactly.
It's
yeah.
not
You can't really take it to failure.
anti you
It's safe.
TikTokers. It's not
Yeah.
hard to take squat to failure, but it is hard to learn RPE on there because
With good form. Yeah.
even for me, man, I've squatted 5. Getting under 315 some days feels heavy. Some days I'm like,
All the
chalk it
time,
up.
man. Well, until you start getting those like high threshold motor units like
Yeah.
kicking in, right?
Yeah.
Your 315 sometimes will feel heavier than like 405 units, right?
For sure.
Yeah.
That's the beauty of bodybuilding really is it's very unlikely to have a bad day.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't matter. Right? Like you want to add weight,
Yeah.
sure. But you can also just go close to failure and be fine.
Exactly.
Powerlifting, if I don't hit 495 today, my PR might be down the drain next week.
As long as you have that, yeah.
Yeah, no, you will be sad the whole week. Yeah, because my progress is now stalled.
Because yeah, it's quantified. But I mean, even with like good bodybuilders, like they quantify
For sure.
the progress.
But,
you know?
but like if something's tweaked, you can work around it so easy. If your knee's
I'm
tweaked,
so numbers focused. I write it all down. So if I see in my log
Yeah.
that it went down, I'm just like, ugh.
it doesn't feel
hurts,
good,
it
but you
hurts.
can still get a good
But yeah, I don't care. It's
stimulus.
not as much. Yeah, not as
You can
much.
still get a stimulus
Yeah.
and move on. Or
Exactly.
if your wrist is fucked up, like damn, I can't do this today, but I can go do that.
Yeah, there's just so much less like, you know, variety.
In powerlifting,
Yeah.
you're fucked.
fucked,
Your whole prep could end.
How about Bart and I show you our lat pull downs, and then you show us yours?
Yeah, give me the lap.
What is our lat pull down? I'll show you.
That's a nice lower back.
I'll show you my lat.
Let's show you bitch ass lat pull down. No, dude.
Bro, your shoulders about to explode, dude.
No, dude, that's bad.
That honestly was bad. Your shoulders.
I saw Rocky Balboa do that, and then he lost the drive. I can't even do that. Dude, I'm gonna dislocate my shoulder.
Dude, it's hard.
No, it's fucking hurts my wrist really bad.
Yeah, push your shoulder back. There you go.
That hurts.
You gotta take your pants off.
You gotta take. It's
do a
limiting your
countdown
mobility,
all
bro.
This is style.
Solo style.
Alright.
Born ready, dude. You literally look like a giant infant.
Should pull up to the airport like that. No shirt. Yeah.
Just came back from a bodybuilding show, you know?
2-year-olds and under can board the plane now.
I didn't see a sign that said I needed a shirt.
Yeah.